Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best camping cookware for open fire is Lodge LCC3 Cast Iron Combo. The Lodge Cast Iron Combo cooker does it all. A deep skillet, a fryer, a Dutch oven in one, plus a lid that doubles as a shallow skillet or griddle. This versatile piece is perfect in the kitchen or great outdoors. The Lodge Cast Iron Combo cooker skillet and pot come pre-seasoned. The longer you use them for, the more seasoning builds up and the easier they get to clean. After a couple of years, it has become my favorite piece of cookware. Non-stick pots wear out and lose their non-stick after a while. Cast iron gets more seasoned with age and keeps getting easier to clean. A good cast iron skillet and pot are the foundation for open fire cooking that can be used to cook almost anything. The only downside to this skillet and pot are the weight. Cast iron cookware is heavy. These are no exception. At a combined 13 pounds, these aren't lightweight pots to take backpacking. If you are camping near your car or truck or from an RV where weight doesn't matter, they are perfect. Number 2 in our side is Overmont Camp Dutch Oven. This Dutch oven has a lid that can also be used as a skillet, making it even more useful. It has a carrying handle and they include a lid lifter as well. Both the Dutch oven and the lid have legs, allowing it to be more stable sitting in the fire or anywhere else. The handle can be used to hang it from a tripod if you don't want it directly sitting in the fire. Dutch ovens have been a staple of campfire cooking for ages. A good cast iron Dutch oven has so many uses it's difficult to know where to start. You can cook everything from stews and soups to roasting chickens and more. The Overmont Camp Dutch Oven is a great foundation for your camping cookware collection. It has no non-stick coating to scratch and wear off. It gets seasoned over time, but filling its porosity with grease and oils. Over time, as seasoning builds up, it gets easier and easier to clean. It comes pre-seasoned with a starter coat of oil. Considering the considerable weight of cast iron, Overmont equips a lid lifter for the Dutch oven. The durable handle also allows you to hang it over the open fire. Our logo design of an eagle on the lid means freedom, power, strength, and desire for life. Third in our best camping cookware for open fire list is Lixida Outdoor Camping Cookware. The Lixida titanium cookware set for camping includes 2 pots, lids, and a foldable sport for eating. All of the items nest into a 3.3-inch diameter by 3.7-inch tall stack. This set's total weight, including the carrying bag, is 0.8 pounds, making it ideal for backpack cooking. Titanium cookware is the best option if you want the lightest weight. Titanium is both lighter and more corrosion resistant than stainless steel or aluminum. It can be damaged by excessive heat, so exercise caution. Titanium is the lightest weight cookware set available for backpacking. Titanium retains heat similarly to stainless steel, making it suitable for cooking. The larger pot has a handle for holding it like a cup, as well as a bail handle for hanging it over a fire to cook. You can use it to help control the heat of whatever you're cooking by hanging it from a tripod. This is one of the best backpacking camping cookware for open fires available. Its small size and lightweight make it ideal for your next hike. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. That pre-seasoned skillet on your kitchen shelf can easily be repurposed for cooking over an open fire. The Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet is a great value in size that is wonderfully versatile. You can use it on your camping stove while you wait for your fire to get going in the morning, and then switch it over to a bed of coals to save on fuel. The only part about cast iron that is tricky is that the seasoning on the pan means that it shouldn't be cleaned with soap. Instead, simply scrap off anything stuck to the bottom and run a fine glaze of olive oil or vegetable oil over it after each use to ensure it retains its non-stick surface. It's also important to keep your cast iron dry, as long-term exposure to water will eventually lead to rust. Lodge knows that cooking is about more than just the food, it's about the memories. This dynamic skillet can be used for slow weekend mornings with bacon and eggs or summertime barbecues with roasted veggies. Last in this list is Wheeler's Camping Cookware Set. This is very lightweight engineering for those long treks through the mountains, a field trip with the kids, or a day at the beach. Tote bag is equipped with comfort handles for smooth transportation of your cooking accessories. Beach parties, mountain trekking or barbecuing, or overnighting in your buddy's backyard, the combo kit is perfect for cooking your favorite dishes away from home. Pots stack vertically in the travel bag for easy transportation or packing with other camping gear. Fitting an entire 4-piece cookware set into a tight-knitted spot has never been so easy. Saves on valuable storage space when you need it the most. The smaller pots conveniently cascade into the largest pot and pack neatly into the travel tote bag. Pot handles are perforated for hanging and suspending pots over open fires. For details, let's watch more.